Hello students, let's continue with exercise 2.5 of polynomials. We are on question number 6 wherein we need to find the cubes in expanded form. Okay, so these are our sub questions. Let's take a look at the first one, 2x plus 1 the whole cube. So this is a sum of two numbers and you have to find the cube. We can clearly compare it to identities and see that these sums belong to either of the identity number 6 or 7. So the first one has a positive term connecting these two expressions. Okay, so it is the sixth identity, x plus y the whole cube. So this is nothing but x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, which can be further expanded as x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square, right? So I am going to use this one because we have to expand completely. So instead of writing it in the first form, I am just going to write it in the second form so that expansion becomes easy, right? So the first question, 2x plus 1 the whole cube, okay, using identity 6, which is a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, right? What is the value of my a? A is 2x and b is equal to 1, right? So I'm going to substitute the value of a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 1 in this entire expression. Therefore I get 2x plus 1 the whole cube is equal to a cube, which is 2x the whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into a square, which is 2x the whole square into 1 plus 3ab square, which is 3 into 2x into 1 square, right? So what I have done is substituted the values on both the left hand side and right hand side, where a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 1. Let us further go and expand this. So 2x cube is 8x cube, 1 cube is 1 plus 3 into 4x square into 1 is just going to give you 1 plus 3 into 2x into 1, right? So this is nothing but 8x cube plus 1 plus 3 4s are 12, so 12x square plus 3 2s are 6, so 6x, right? I'm just going to write this expression in descending order of their exponents. So this is 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1. So here you see we've written the answer in the descending order of the exponents: x cube, x square, x raised to the power of 1 and 1 into x raised to the power of 0, right? Finally my answer is 2x plus 1 the whole cube, and I am making it visible to my examiner to notice by putting it in a box. Okay, let's proceed with the second question. So my second question is 2a minus 3b the whole cube. Again you have to cube this expression with two terms, but there's a negative sign, so it resembles my identity number 7. Let's quickly use identity number 7 and solve this sum, right? So using x minus y the whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square, right? So what is my value of x and y? My x is equal to 2a and y is equal to 3b. Notice that y is 3b and not minus 3b, because that will change my expression completely. We have a negative here and negative here, which is why I am taking y as only 3b and not minus 3b. Okay, let's now substitute the value of x is equal to 2a and y is equal to 3b in this entire expression to find a solution. Therefore we have 2a minus 3b the whole cube is equal to x cube, which is 2a the whole cube minus y cube, which is 3b the whole cube, minus 3x square y. So minus 3 into 2a the whole square into y, which is 3b, plus 3 into x, which is 2a, and y square, which is 3b the whole square. Right? So we have substituted the values of x and y into our expression. Let's further expand this. 2a cube will give me 8a cube minus 3b cube is going to give me 27b cube plus minus 3. So 3, this is 4a square into 3b plus 3 into 2a into 9b square. Right? We will have to further expand this. So this will be 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So 36a square b plus 3 2s are 6, 6 9s are 54. So 54ab square. Right? And we also have this written in the descending order of the exponents. How? Because we first have cubes, then squares. Okay? So finally my answer is 2a minus 3b the whole cube. Okay? Simple, isn't it? So let's quickly proceed with question number 3. So we have 3 upon 2x plus 1 the whole cube. Now this is a fraction, the first term is a fraction, but we have to cube it and we know the identity, so do not get scared. Solving this is not going to be very difficult. The only thing is that we have a fraction. Let's quickly solve and see that how easy it is to achieve this using our identities. So this one is again resembling identity number 6, x plus y the whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Right? So using, I'm just writing instead of x and y, I'm using a and b to make the comparison more easier. Okay? So using a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Right? So what is my a and b over here? My a is 3 upon 2x and b is equal to 1. Right? So let's substitute the value of a and b into this expression, that is a is 3 upon 2x and b is equal to 1 in this expression, and find a solution. So you have 3 upon 2x plus 1 the whole cube is equal to 3 upon 2x the whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into 3 upon 2 x the whole square into 1 plus 3 into 3 upon 2x into 1 square. Right? So we have substituted the values of a and b into our expression. Now let's expand this further. So 3 cube is 27 and 2 cube is 8 and x cube. Right? 1 cube becomes 1. Okay, 1 raised to any power is always going to give me 1. So 1 cube can be written as 1 plus 3 into 3 square is 9 and 2 square is 4. So 9 upon 4 x square into 1 is not required because this expression into 1 is going to give me this expression eventually, plus 3 into 3 upon 2 x into 1. 1 square gives me 1 again, right? Let's further go and expand this. So this is going to be 27 upon 8 x cube plus 3 9s are 27. So 27 x square upon 4 plus 3 3s are 9. So 9x upon 2. Right? And this is in the descending order of my exponents. Plus, if you notice, this is a polynomial in one variable. Plus 1. Have I missed out anything? plus 1. This one I'm writing it over here. Okay? 3 upon 2x plus 1 the whole cube So this is a polynomial in one variable. It is a cubic equation, so I have 4 roots. Okay? Not 4 roots, 4 terms. Let's proceed with question number 4. X minus 2 upon 3y the whole cube, right? This is similar to my identity number 7, wherein I have 2 terms with a negative sign in between and I have to cube it. So let's quickly write this, however writing it in the form of a and b instead of x and y, so that comparison becomes more simpler. Okay, so using a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Right? Let us first find the values of a and b. My a is equal to x, right? And b is equal to 2 upon 3y. Correct? Now let's substitute the value of a is equal to x and b is equal to 2 upon 3y in this expression to find the solution to our problem. So therefore we have x minus 2 upon 3y the whole cube is equal to x cube minus 2 upon 3y the whole cube minus 3x square into 2 upon 3y plus 3 into 3x into 2 upon 3y the whole square. Right? Let us further go and expand these terms. So what do I get? X cube minus 4 upon 9 y. 2 cube is 8 and 3 cube is 27 y cube. So 3x square into 2y is going to give me minus 3 2s are 6, or rather 3 and 3 will cancel. So I get 2x square y, right, plus 3x into 4y square upon 9, right. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, right. Let's further rewrite this. What do I get? X cube minus 8 upon 27 y cube minus 2x square y plus 4xy square upon 3. So x minus 2 upon 3y the whole cube. So therefore x minus 2 upon 3y the whole cube is nothing but x cube minus 8 upon 27y cube minus 2x square y plus 4xy square upon 3. And finally I am going to box up my answer. Right? So with this we wind up question number 6 of exercise 2.5. Let's continue with the remaining exercise in the forthcoming lectures. Thank you.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.